Hi, welcome to KP Wellness Path. This is Aruna, Senior Yoga Instructor from KPST. Today I am going to show you how to do Surya Namaskara in standing position. So come to top of the mat, legs shoulder width. Join your both the hands at your heart center. Inhale, raise your both the hands, arch back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right leg far back. Drop your right knee. Exhale, left leg back. Mountain position. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga, knee, chest and chin towards the mat. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, again mountain. Inhale, right leg forward, in between your both the hands. Drop your left knee. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise your both the hands, arch back. Release the hands. Now let's do the left leg. Inhale, raise your both the hands, arch back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back, mountain. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Ashtanga, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, left leg forward, in between your both the hands. Exhale, forward, right leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, release the hands. This is one set of Surya Namaskara. So you can practice 12 sets every day. So both the sides 12-12. So contact, if you have any doubts in postures and all, please contact us for more details. Thank you.